Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a UCon 4G trail camera and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera will not connect to your devices, or if it's not syncing, or if it just seems to be lagging, or there's any quality issues with the video or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to pair this with a new device or with a new app, and you just want to get everything cleared out, a reset is a good step to do in that process, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is open the back of it as shown here, and then locate the reset button, which is in the top left. Now you don't need a pin or anything like that, although it does help to have a pen or something like that, but you can do it with your finger in a pinch if you use like the nail of your finger to push this reset button down. But all we need to do is do a long press on it. We'll press and hold it for several seconds. The light will blink and the camera will also make a beep, indicating that the connections have been reset, and it will re-enter the pairing mode so you can connect it to a new device.